guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all swatches of lipsticks that are perfect for the summer months. And these lipsticks are by the brand called MyGlamm. So MyGlamm has a range of matte lipsticks which are called as the MyGlamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipsticks and which come in this kind of a packaging like you can see here. Now these are available in 100 plus shades, which is so surprising because I don't think any brand ever has this kind of an extensive shade range in any of their liquid lipstick collection. And these are very affordable. These are only priced at rupees 395 only. And this is what the actual product looks like. So the packaging I really love. It's very nice, very classy, and it also has like a see-through packaging, and the shade name is printed on the sticker on the bottom itself, and also the expiry date also is printed on the sticker. So it's great, it's very convenient. You don't really need to save this outer carton at all. You can just simply store your lipsticks as it is because all of the essential information is printed on the bottom itself. The shape of the wand is paddle shape, so it's great at even lining your lips. So these lipsticks are enriched with moringa oil that helps to keep your lips hydrated and very soft and supple. And coming on to the texture, it has an extremely smudge proof and transfer proof formula which gives a complete matte finish, and you also get opaque pigmentation in one single swipe. Also these lipsticks are 100% vegan and cruelty free. Like, what more can you ask from them, right? So since they are available in 100 plus shades, I cannot really swatch all of them. So I have chosen a few shades which I thought would be perfect for the summer months. So these includes like reds and pinks and browns and some deeper shades as well, which I'm going to be swatching in today's video. So before I start the swatches, I also want to mention that you can get these lipsticks at a flat 51% discount if you use the coupon code, which is this right here. So by the end of this video, once you're done watching the swatches, if you do want to buy any of these lipsticks, then you can use this coupon code to get 51% discount on them. And I've given the direct link of this product in the description box below, so please make sure you are checking the description box. And now without further ado, let's begin with the swatches. So the first shade called Cupcakey is my absolute favorite shade. It's a beautiful, almost like a milk chocolate color, and this is one such shade that is going to look beautiful on every skin tone. The next shade called Hot Toddy is a very beautiful apple red color, and it's a beautiful like universal red color that will again suit every skin tone, and I really love how it like brightens up my face. The next shade called Like a G6 is a beautiful, almost like a peachish nude color, and again these kind of colors look really flattering on medium to dusky skin tone girls. So yeah, this was the next shade. The next shade called Based is a beautiful like almost a neon pink, very vibrant pink color, and this will look even more better on fairer skin tones, but nonetheless even on my skin tone, which is almost like a medium to dusky skin tone category, it definitely looks beautiful. The next shade called Go Off is a beautiful mauvish pink color, and again this is one such color that will look super flattering on every skin tone. The next shade called Insta Grandstanding is again a beautiful deeper chocolate color, and I've received a lot of compliments whenever I've worn this shade, and most of my friends love this shade on me. So yeah, this is another shade that will look super flattering on every skin tone.
The next shade called Ship is again a beautiful brown color which has more of like orange undertones to it. So this is one such shade that's neither too dark neither too light, so it's like perfect for daytime wear or like for office wear. And yeah, again this one will suit every skin tone. The last shade called E-Boy is a dark mulberry shade. Now I did find this shade to be a little bit less pigmented than the others, so it did require 2-3 coats of it to get opaque coverage. And yeah, this is like a beautiful deep dark shade that is perfect for nighttime wear.
So yeah guys, those were the swatches of the MyGlamm Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So I have given the direct link of this product in the description box below, and in case if you wish to purchase these lipsticks, you can get them at a flat 51% discount by using my coupon code, which is this right here. So please check out the link in the description box for the same in case you like any shade and if you wish to purchase them. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.